We're going to make a creamy cowboy stew. We're going to start with 1 pound of ground beef that I cooked up and drained, as well as a small diced up onion. Once you got that in there, we're going to finish our meat up with a sliced up kielbasa sausage. That's right, baby. And also we're going to put in 3 cups of diced potatoes in there. I got the frozen kind because they work great with this, or you can dice up your own. Once you have all that in there, we're going to put a can of corn that I drained, as well as some rotel. You don't have to drain that one. And a couple of soups. We're going to start with cheddar soup. A lot of flavor in this one, folks, as you can see. We haven't even gotten to the seasonings yet. Once you got your cheddar scraped out, we're also going to scrape out a cream of mushroom into our crock pot here. Once you finish with your soups, we're going to add 1.5 cups of beef broth. Oh yeah, this is going to be a hearty one, folks. Once you got your broth in there, give it a little stir, just a gentle stir. And then we're going to add our seasonings. We're going to throw garlic powder. I like garlic, so I'm going to do a nice helping, but you do it to your taste. Some smoked paprika. Some salt. And pepper, of course. Alright, and once you got all your seasonings, go ahead and get all that mixed together in your crock pot. Alright, y'all, once you've given it a good stir, go ahead and put your lid on. You're going to want to put it on high for 3 to 4 hours. Alright, after about 3 to 4 hours, should be looking nice and pretty like this. And we're going to throw some final touches. We're going to put 1/2 cup sour cream in there. If you're not a fan of sour cream, like my wife, just leave it out and it'll still be great. But I like that little bit of creaminess in there. And then finally, we're going to put in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I shredded it myself, hence the zippy. And go ahead and get that stirred in until it's nice and melted and creamy. Alright, and once you've given it a good stir, it is ready to try. So here we go, folks. Moment of truth. Make sure you get all the good stuff. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, buddy. Alright, let's give it a try. Y'all, this is a winner. Like, really, though. Oh my gosh. If you're looking for a warm meal this fall, winter, or whenever you're watching this, this is the way to go. I'm telling you. So good.